Okay, so we have these set of rules that define number fields or number systems. And the most well-known number systems are, like rational numbers, rational numbers, rational numbers. And, these are the numbers where you say, okay, Q, I'm just going to put Q over P, where, P is not 0 and they're both integers. Q and P are both integers. And we have real numbers, which include all the rational numbers and irrational numbers and integers and pretty much everything, that except for the imaginary numbers. And then we have complex numbers. Complex numbers, which are all the numbers that are like a plus, that are denoted like this: a plus I times b. Okay, I being the imaginary number square root of -1, right? So this is something I want to talk about: the rational numbers. So I said that rational numbers are number system according to all our rules. They can do they're subject to the 4 arithmetic operations. But Q and P have to be integers. I wanted to mention something about integers. Integers are not number systems. Infinity to negative infinity, and all the way up to positive infinity of whole numbers. Well, I say whole numbers, but whole numbers are just positive. But basically, rational numbers can make up integers. Integers are inside of the rational number group, because rational numbers, you could have a rational number like this, where it's, since both of these are integers, 4 over 8, right? And then you'd get, which is equal to, well, not 4 over 8, let's say, 8 over 4, which would be equal to 2. So that would get you an integer. So integers are part of the rational numbers. But integers by themselves, just as their group, they don't have fractions. Integers are completely whole. And one of the rules inside of that define these number fields and number systems is that any member of inside the system can be multiplied by another member of that field to get you 1. So we would say alpha times gamma, that's a terrible gamma, times gamma is equal to 1, where gamma is the reciprocal reciprocal I don't know if I spelled that right, but whatever. Reciprocal of alpha, meaning that it's 1 over alpha. That's what gamma is equal to. But like I said, integers, gamma has to still be a member of the number field. And integers as a number field can't be a fraction like this. So integers don't qualify as a number field because of that reason. And I think we were going to know why rational numbers don't qualify. They're made up of those specific things, like the ones that don't, the pi and square root of 2. Okay, but yeah, I just want to say stay in school.